is Misha. I felt that I bored of my daily routine. I decided to refresh my days. I decided to go to the bay, just lay on the beach. Now I'm gonna have breakfast and charge all my devices. So I have train at 14.
So, I'm a little bit late. The train departs at 55 minutes, so yeah. The plan is go to the bakery, then take a bus to the metro, arrive to the train station, buy the tickets. I wanted to record the speaking part on the beach. I found a secluded place, but people immediately appeared around. So, what I want to say, I decided to change the scenery for the day and went to the bay. And when I thought about it, I've realized I wanted to go alone. If one of my friends decided to go with me, I wouldn't mind. I didn't feel loneliness. Recently, I was hanging out with friends a lot and also went to a nearby town with my classmates. Because of this, I wanted to be alone with myself, not because I feel lonely, how I say. Sometimes I feel loneliness and go out with myself, but there are times in my life when I just want hanging around with myself. I'm taking some photos and videos, and I don't know where am I right now. I know there is the main road. Train departs in an hour. I decided to take a walk there.